Yes, sir. You already know this your boy B Hayes. We back with another one. You know I don't like to waste nobody's time, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before we do that though, let's give this video a nice thumbs up so it can reach more people. Okay, without further ado, we're gonna touch bases on NAKD brand. That's ticker symbol NAKD. We went over this in a few other videos. You had the opportunity to make money on the run up. It was trading at about 50 cents a share, and it spiked and went parabolic to $3 plus, and then it tanked, it fell down, and didn't go nowhere near back to where it came from, 50 cent. It came and started consolidating around 115, 110 range. We'll go over the chart. We'll go over see what the big boys doing. We'll see what the news is saying about it. We'll do all that in a short period of time. We're gonna go ahead and cover all that. So boom, let's go ahead and get right into it. NAKD. NAKD brand groups brings together exceptional, intimate, and apparel brands, each embodying a unique design identity, a preserved heritage, and a dynamic customer. NAKD brand group is committed to further revolutionize the lingerie industry through its dedication to design, quality, innovation, and customer. Okay, so let's see what they're saying about it. Let's see what the summary is. Let's see what they got, what their little talk is about. You know, these Wall Street journalists and all these people, they don't have your best interests at heart. They ain't gonna tell the masses what to buy and make a whole lot of money off of. They want you to stay poor. They want you to stay dumb. So let's see what they got to say though. NAKD brand and highly risky investment after the squeeze, February 8, 2021. So they saying it's a highly risky investment, which it is. All investments are. But let's look at it. As long as you do your research and due diligence, you'll be just fine. Summary. NAKD has a history of declining revenues while net losses have grown on an annual basis. So their revenues, the money they bringing in is steady going down while their net losses is steady growing. So that's pretty bad. NAKD is exploring a potential divestment of its flagship brand in order to pursue an exclusively e-commerce operating structure, exposing more risk. Shares are trading at over $500 million valuation, 523.6 million fully diluted, which will be very hard to sustain with declining revenues. That's very true as well. Turnaround stores are seldom successful, and NAKD has been showing signs of distress for quite some time, and another reverse split could be possible. Okay. Let's see. We seen what they saying, what they putting in our face. It don't sound too good, right? Nah, I agree it don't. But let's see what the money is doing though. Let's see. We see what y'all talking about, but let's see what the money doing. Let's see where y'all putting y'all money at though. Let's see what the big boys doing. Watch this say something different though. NAKD institutional holdings. You got active positions, increased positions by 6, decreased positions by 1, held positions 6, total institutional shares 13. So you telling me you only got 1 decreased position and 6 increased position and 6 held position, but all that negativity, they must not be thinking the same as that summary though, huh? If we holding, if we buying, increasing our positions, this is what the institution is doing. This is not financial advice. I'm just here showing y'all the investments I'm making, showing y'all what I'm doing. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research and due diligence. And so let's also see the active positions. We got new position 4, sold out position 1. You look at the comparison between the two now. And for the ones that don't know what increasing position is, you know, they increased, they got a bigger position. They added more to their position. A decrease is when they took away. And it's 6-1, as you can see. Now let's take a look at the charts. Boom. Today opened up at 115, 116. It dropped to 110, went up back up to 113, and then dropped back down to 110 again, 111. It consolidated, traded sideways for a while, 110 to 111. We call that a support. At that 110, we see that's a nice support level. That means like support is a level that a stock hit and it's not breaking that level. Like if it steady go from 110 to 115, 110 to 115, 110, 115, it's steady hitting that 110. Go back a week ago, it was trading at 96 cents. Then it shot up to 130, and then it dipped. It dipped to 116, shot up to 130, dipped to 116, shot up to 130, dipped to 112, shot up to about 130, and 109, 110. That's that support again right there from the same previously what it was hitting today. The same last week, it hit that same support. That's how we know that support at 110. So that means basically if it dropped below 110, I'll be getting out of there. So look back 3 months ago, it was at 7 cents. Look back a year ago, this is what I want you to see, so we can see where it go over. Once it break past 120, 121, it can get to 163. Once it get to 163, this will be our next breakthrough point. What we need to get, what we need to push through. 163 and 165. You'll see 165 on this side. So really 165. Once it pushed through 165, the potential is the moon. You can basically get to $2 from there, and $3, $4, and once you get to $5, that's when the big boys will start loading up. And we look back on the graph, the 5-year chart, you see this thing could go insane. Once it break $1.65, it could push pretty high. So that was the update I got for y'all on this. And do your own research and due diligence. If you're trying to get in on this play, a little advice would be, never go all in. Wait for a little pullback, get you a few shares, have a little fun. This is not financial advice. You already know that your boy behaves. If you like this type of content, don't forget to consider subscribing. Make sure you like the video, and it's a link in the description below. Get you some free stocks. We in the Weebull in the pre-market at 4 a.m. You already know. God bless.